Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we are learning 10 sight words. We will say, spell, and use them in sentences. Are you ready? Follow my lead and repeat after me. Let's go. An. Now let's spell it together. An. A-N. An. Good job. Now let's use it in a sentence. We see an ant. Bat. Now let's spell it together. Bat. B-U-T. Bat. Now let's use it in a sentence. I like apples, but like bananas more. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Find. Now let's spell it together. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Now let's use it in a sentence. Find the book. He. Let's spell it together. H-E. He. Now let's use it in a sentence. He picks a pen. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. Is. Now let's spell it together. Is. I-S. Is. Now let's use it in a sentence. The sun is bright. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. No. No. N-O. No. There is no candy in the bag. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. Play. 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 P-L-A-Y. Play. Now let's use it in a sentence. Let's go and play. You're doing amazing. Stop. Now let's spell it together. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Now let's use it in a sentence. Stop at the tree. We have 2 more words to go. 2. Let's spell it together. T-O. 2. Now let's use it in a sentence. Go to the garden. And the last word, when, when, when. WHEN, when. Wow, you did amazing. You were able to read 10 sight words today. Good job. Now, we will recap on the words we learned today. Repeat after me. Are you ready? An, but, find, he, is, no, play, stop, two, and when. Great job, superstars. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.